Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I am your teacher Iram and I am going to teach you maths. Today we will learn numbers. What will we learn? We will learn numbers. In the previous lecture we learned the numbers 0, 1 and 2. Today we will learn new number, that is number 3. Number 3. This is 3. We will learn new number, that is number 3. 3 comes after 2. Number 3 comes after 2. Now let's learn how to write 3. This is 3. You can see here is a curve, then one more curve. This is 3. Let's write it. We will start from this dot, make a curve, then one more curve touch to the bottom line. This is 3. This is 3. Let's write it again. Start from the upper line, make a curve, then one more curve touch to the bottom line. This is 3. Let's do the activity of number 3. What we have to do? Let's read the statement. Count and match. What we have to do? Count and match. Here we have some numbers and some pictures. This is number 2. Now we have to match this number with the objects. Here are 2 balls. Here are 2 balls. So we will match these balls with this number 2. You can use scale to match it properly. This is 2. How many balls are there? 2. This is number 3. This is number 3. We will match it with 3 objects. This is 3 objects. These are 3 objects. No, this is 1. These are 3 flowers. 1, 2 and 3. How many flowers are these? 3. 1, 2, 3. We will match these flowers with this number 3. What's left? 1. We will match this number 1, this 1 butterfly. Two balls match with number 2, 1 butterfly we have matched it with number 1, and here are 3 flowers. Here are 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3 and we have matched it with number 3. I hope you understand the concept of number 3. Do practice it at home again and again and take care. Allah Hafiz.